confident na lang ako sa sarili ko, di ba? I know I am really good, no? I can smash harder. And so during the tryout, I was surprised. Yes, I got into the team, but for the longest time, throughout all our training, I never got to hold a badminton racket after that tryout. I thought to myself, why did you get me? Why did you put me in the team if I will not hold a badminton racket? What is that for? What am I for? All throughout the training, my coach did not allow me to touch the badminton racket for